What's going on, people? Here with another breakdown reassembly from P.I.H.I.G Defense. I have here a Glock 22 Gen5 40 caliber. Okay, the first thing you want to do when breaking down the firearm, you want to make sure the firearm is clear. So first, I'm gonna release the magazine release button. Clear. Next, I'm checking the chamber to make sure there's nothing inside of the firearm. So what I want to do is pull back on my slide, engaging my slide stop. Still keep my finger off the trigger. I'm able to see the firearm is clear. Next, I have two takedown levers. Each side you have to pull down at the same time on them to get the slide to release. So taking my thumb, index finger, pull down both, engage my slide stop. One more step, have to pull the trigger. Frame, recoil spring, barrel. I'm done. Now I'm putting it back together. Barrel, recoil spring. There's two notches here. You want to get on that first one. That way when you put it back on the frame and line it up, you won't have any issues. And you're done. If you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. Peace.